Learn how to make an LED matrix with logic gates. Hello guys! Today I will show you how to design a simple LED matrix with Logisim. For this project we will need 8x8 LED matrix, an 8-bit memory to store each letter in hex format, 2 counters, the first to select each data that will be shown on LED matrix, and the second to distribute the data on each line on LEDs. I use 8 registers to maintain the bits on LED matrix, but in real life we don't need it, as it will switching so fast that the human eye will see all lines on. Also, I use 2 demultiplexer to distribute all lines of 8 bits to the register, and to clock each one to store on LED matrix. And don't worry about the circuit, it will be available on my GitHub repository. So to make this circuit work, we need to activate the counters and the clock to access the data on memory and at the same time send it to the register each line of 8 bits per clock. But before I show it working, let me teach you how to make the LED matrix letters and store the bytes on memory. So, this is the website that I use to make the letters on matrix. 8 lines of 8 LEDs will generate 64 bits of hex data. Look that if we turn on all LEDs will generate the highest number on our 64-bit data, and LEDs off will generate the lowest. We can make any art on this site and export the data to our memory. So to use the letter A, I have to turn 90 degrees and it will be on right position in our project. I will do the same on others' letters and copy the generate 64-bit hex to our memory. Now open the memory editor and add the hex data on each address of memory. Look that I make an interval of zeros on memory to clean the LED matrix between each change of letter. Now let's start simulating our project. That's all for now. To see more videos like this, subscribe.